right, today I'm taking a look at the Razor Scraper set. Okay, so it actually comes with a blade attached. So we got a nice rubber handle right here, which is great, so I'm going to get a better grip on it. A little knurl right there. I don't have to worry about slipping off. Got a little thumb screw right here, so that's going to be how we attach the blade, and that goes right into a nut on the other side. It has a nice contour to it, so it's going to make it real nice for gripping. And we got this cover for the blade, so we don't have to worry about taking that blade off when we go to put it away. We don't want to be cutting ourselves. It has a hanging hook on the back, so if we got a pegboard, we can just throw this right on there. And it comes with a whole boatload of new blades. So this thing is going to last a long time. So I remember one time I left one of those little plastic spatulas on the stove and then turned on the wrong burner and I melted it. So something like this, like it's just perfect because you can get right up there on that glass surface. What am I hitting here? Look at that. You can find things that you didn't know were there. And yeah, they just work great. They're great for that. They're great for scraping like paint or any kind of corrosion or weird stuff that's building up. These things are fantastic. And having a nice two set like this with a ton of extra blades means you can do it and you can have somebody to help. So yeah, overall that is a great set.